What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Palantir stock, guys. We will also take a look at one of this article here. Jim Cramer turns bullish on Palantir, make a move and buy some. I don't know if this is the right time to buy, but I'll talk about in this video regarding my position that I'm in. And if you want to know a bit of background on how I took this position, I would highly suggest that if you haven't checked out my video on Palantir, I did that. You just gotta go to my channel, right? And just click on the search button and you can type any stocks. I do a lot of stocks and I categorize them in their playlist. So what you gotta do is just type in that stock ticker name. Like in this case, we're typing in Palantir, and just take the one look at the latest one, and this is the 7 days ago. Just check out this video. Palantir stock position opened in the money, and this is the same position I'm currently holding. So check this video out, guys, on my channel, the second from the top here, and this will give you a lot of idea of what we're going to talk about as well in this video. So, and then now what I have been doing with my position and plan further out from here. And also with that, I want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm only sharing my opinion and nothing more than that. Okay. So I am in this play on Palantir when I got the opportunity into this bounce, because that's what I wanted to see. And then I got the rejection at 20 days moving average and also at 200 hours moving average, together with the break of structure back then. And oh yeah, I gotta turn on something, guys, on my indicator. If you need access to my tools as well, links in the description below. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts. Links to my tools are in the description below of this video. All right, so this was my zone of confirmation that I opened the short play, and I'm still continuing it. I'm taking some sizing out at these, significant levels. So let's talk through the process. And then I'll also provide my opinion of if I still see this continue going lower, or what is the price action looking like. So, yep, as I said, guys, yes, I'm taking some partial profits out at these significant areas. I still have a lot of my position on this on the short side, around 60 to 65%. I still have it on Palantir. And I'm still not seeing any signs of it changing the structure to the upside. I'm still seeing the structure to the downside. We are below 20 days moving average. We are below 50 days moving average as well. So that's the sentiment on the hourly interval. This is one of the pivot resistance that Palantir has been rejecting still. You can see this is where we have this wick as well from today. Things get more clear if I take it to the hourly interval. And so yeah, we have been constantly rejecting those levels, and also on hourly interval you can see we have been rejecting this 200 hours moving average over here. So we went up, but we still rejected that 200 hours moving average constantly, right over there, right over there. We have in the post market a bloodbath sell-off as well on Palantir. So because Jim Cramer says to buy, I'm just kidding. Oh, well, but anyways, that's that. We also, okay, wait. We also have a sort of trend line going on here that you can follow. It's not going to be very like penny to penny precise, but it's precise enough that it can be used for a sentiment. Or you can just use the 200 hours moving average, the way I have it over there, right? But you can also use this trend line if you want some more lines around the price action. So, but yeah, in my opinion, it has still more room to continue lower. The next level I'm watching is $21.85, and after that, $20.38. But before talking about $20.38, this thing, not just that area, may also continue all the way down to this 200 days moving average. And why so? Because, well, that would be another support. I have it a little bit up here, the target, because I'm expecting this thing to catch up here by the time price will start to fall. But yes, in my opinion, Palantir is still bearish, and at least on the swing side, this play that I am in, and we are in this head and shoulder pattern as well. And not just that, we have also confirmed a lower high on the daily interval here, right? And lower low. These are the pivots. So let's see if we form a next pivot. I will start to size out a little bit more in case Palantir goes down to $21.84 but fails to break and breaks back above $22.29. Why so? Why I would get a little bit more careful there for the reasons that now let me take you to the, maybe let's see, 4 hours interval, just so that we have less of a real estate to worry about. Yeah, this is fine. The reason I'm talking about this level of $21.85 to see the price action on this again is for the reason that we have this wick, a good buying zone here, and some wick over here as well, good buying zone. So it's just that you can see the tornadoes touchdown. I call them tornadoes touchdowns, right? And we have a pivot in this zone as well, demand zone. So if things don't fall quite rapidly next week in this zone of $21, almost $22 to $22.50 or $22.30, then I might try to size out a little bit heavy position in the profit here, because yeah, because this is just a zone that may act as a demand. I just don't want to go choppy in this. I would not fully take out my whole position, but still a little bit higher if it doesn't break below $21.86. But that's how I'm taking a look at Palantir. Market all in all is in a dire sentiment. I'll be doing another video specifically on QQ and SPY over the weekend, like the big massive ship is turning, right? So, but before that, this is what for Palantir I want to talk about. In my opinion, this is still a bearish play. I'm still in the money. I'm sizing out as the price action allows me, and then we'll see how things goes. But yeah, I'm still on the downside on this. So talking about this article, Jim Cramer turns bullish on Palantir. Make a move and buy some. I'm not quite sure about this, guys, but you can go and do whatever you want to do. Okay. So what does Jim Cramer says? Mad Money host Jim Cramer has given a thumbs up to Palantir Technologies. Cramer advised viewers to consider purchasing stock in Palantir on Thursday's episode. The data analytics company has been a topic of discussion. Cramer's recommendations comes as Palantir stock has seen varying levels of performance in the market. I don't really see his proper any judgment here, guys. We're just gonna skip through it. It's just the headline that Jim Cramer turns bullish on Palantir. I'm not in that camp here, guys. So, anyways, I gave you my sentiment. I gave you how I'm looking at the stock price, and that's all. Well, as I said, if you found this video helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. Okay, bye.